Okay, here we go.
Hey, all of you down here, if you're looking in the water through the viewports, make sure that you have your UV protection.
This guy. Yeah.
If you don't have it, don't look through the viewports.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna listen. That's it. Switch, yeah. You can do that if you want.
Swick. Sweet and sick.
Here, do your left hand.
No, dude, I haven't been trained on it yet.
You're gonna have
Green diver, hang out on the ladder and save your tenders their arms, understand? Understand, red diver, water checks complete set. Understand, green diver, your water checks are complete and set. Any leak, keep a diver? Understand, red. No divers, no current leaks, either diver. Red diver, find your grounding strap.
You got, this is where you have to get a lens or something.
And I want you to place it on the
Got any
table,
extras?
close to this side of the wall, opposite the seat lamp, understand?
This video?
Yeah.
Nice. I thought you were in comments. That was just this one to check or something.
So clear.
Okay, he's attaching
Would be nice.
You wanna maybe throw it around the outside too, get all this on big and then clear yourself.
The crew.
Red diver, give a 1 to your tender for being on the bottom. Saying you're okay.
Dun, 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 dun.
Alright, Red, good work.
Mr. Westman got his. If these bolts have holes in it, does it matter?
Some ones it really doesn't.
Oh, I'll just wait until.
You're gonna have to take this camera in a second.
Why?
Because you got the eyes.
I don't want to.
You do. I'm gonna lose the eyes.
Here, you take the eyes. I'll just look away.
As annoying as it is, Red diver, just say plates are set up, rods are set up, blah blah
You
blah.
want it tighter?
Each time you do a tiny little thing, just let me know, understand?
With the camera behind the lens too? Or?
I don't know. Let's just get it on camera. So if it's the next person who watches it, let's go blind. There we go. Mr. Sharpie, you don't want us touching that rod on the boat? Okay. We're allowed to? Okay.
Understand? Good work. Switch is on.
Switch on.
You break the tip off. Switch is off.
Switch off. Do I need to throw that thing all the way back in this plane? Yeah. Straight back.
Understand, switch is on.
Switch on.
Oh. Pull that red. I switched the wrong breaker on inside the room. That's my bad. Just relax a minute. Switch off. Switches off.
Switch off.
Top side comms.
Yep.
Hey, we have no electricity flow, and I just now realized that I flipped on the circuit breaker for open tank 2, not open tank 1, so that's my fault. Right now, take the rod off the plate, just relax a minute, because they have to flip the circuit breaker on for us.
You know, did it correct it.
It's been corrected?
Thank you.
Sweet.
There's a ground clamp here.
Yes, ground clamp is secure.
It's gone.
No, it's not. I know the machine's on, but I think I've tripped the wrong circuit breaker.
Recording.
I think I tripped the one for open tank 2, not tank 1.
Understand, they're looking at me right now.
Oh, awesome. Dude, that's an awesome picture. Can you send that to me?
Looking on.
Alright, Rand, it should be fixed now. Good work.
Watch your eyes, guys.
Gone. Ensure that the ground is as far away from the back as possible, not getting between the ground and the work.
Say switch on, Red. Understand, switch is on.
Switch on. That's cool. It's his brother.
Got watching? Water?
Oh, Brian.
Understand, switch is off.
Switch off.
How do you stop recording?